is Matt Heuser. I'm the Managing Director of Excellent Development here in my office with my friend David Hoppy. And I was looking at these books. I've got another video that's going to go into a lot more depth, but we've got the process shelf, the testing shelf, the technical shelf, what I'm reading now, and we've got the whole back end with philosophy, management, leadership. There's a lot of books, right? I'm not nearly for any topic you could find in here. If it's Scrum, if it's programming, if it's test-driven development, if it's pure scaling of large organizations, I'm not the best person in the world at that thing. I'm pretty good. I've done a lot of reading, but you can find people who have their entire library is one of my shelves. We want to get those people to Agile Testing Days USA in June 2017. We're going to assemble Agile leaders to talk about managing for risk and running projects in an Agile environment. You say, but Matt, you just said testing. You're the Agile testing guy. I mean, it's just testing, right? Well, I want to correct a notion there. Agile Testing Days isn't really a testing conference. It's an Agile conference that talks about examples to drive development. So let me give you some examples. You don't know what we want to build yet? Let's do the lean startup thing. Let's A/B split test it. People will be there talking about that. You have an idea for a product, but you need to fill in the details of it. Well, we want to create specification by example. We want to drive development with examples and elaborate on what that is. There'll be people there that are experts on acceptance, test-driven development, experts on the three amigos. They'll want to talk about that. Now it's time to write some code. It's time to do some test-driven development. There'll be people there who want to talk about test-driven development. Once the code is kind of coming together, you have this collaborative handoff, collaborative process, desk checking, back and forth between developer and tester. There'll be people talking about that. There'll be people talking about exploratory testing. There'll be people that are into continuous delivery and builds. We'll have people there that are interested in continuous monitoring of production and fast rollback. Every step, every piece of development is driven by testing. That's a radically different way of thinking about it. Let's stop talking about testers as a role, which is fine. There will be some people who specialize in that. But start thinking about testing as an activity designed to reduce risk, to formalize the process throughout all of software delivery. That's what Agile Testing Days is. I've been to it 4 times in Germany. It is fantastic, and I want to help bring it to the United States. The call for proposals is available now. You should see it below the video. If you're watching this video late, at least you can register for the conference. You'll see it below. We look forward to, I hope to meet you. And let's talk about software development. Let's talk about testing. Thanks.